Late this week, we are essentially halfway through what we call meteorological winter. The months of December, January, and February. This is the time of the year in which our averages, both average highs and average lows, kind of bottom out. Our average high here in mid-January is 32. We've been mostly above average, not only in recent days, but in most of meteorological winter. So it's no surprise that at kind of halftime here, we're about 4.5 degrees warmer than the average. Now, this is a pretty significant margin, but actually, this winter so far has not been as warm as last winter. Last winter, we were at this point about 8 degrees warmer than the average. We've had several warm winters in recent years. Things are quiet out there this evening. 224 Market Street in Boardman on our Ainsley Heating and Cooling weather camera. Dry conditions will stick around overnight and first thing tomorrow morning. Here's our next weather maker out across the Midwest this evening. Low pressure spinning in eastern Iowa where the air is cold enough. We have snow showers on the warm side of that system. We have rain showers pushing through Illinois. All of that is coming our way on Friday, but again, we stay dry tonight. Look how mild, 34 overnight. Our average high at this time of the year, as I mentioned a moment ago, is 32 degrees. Again, dry start to the day tomorrow, but by lunchtime and especially into the afternoon, some chilly rain showers, some wet snowflakes can mix in with this. All of this probably ends as a period of wet snow around this time tomorrow evening. Roads should just be wet. We're not expecting any snow accumulation. This will be a midday high of 43 tomorrow. Temperatures will back off through the 30s as we go into the afternoon. All right, let's talk about the weekend. Saturday likely starts out with uneventful weather, but as we get into the afternoon and evening, snow showers and flurries will become a little more common. Again, mostly wet roads, not expecting big impacts, but late Saturday into Saturday night, we might see enough snow shower activity that a small accumulation occurs and some surfaces get a little bit slick by Saturday night. Sunday may play out in a similar fashion. Not much going on in the morning, but later in the day into Sunday night, another round of snow showers, another small accumulation, and perhaps some slick spots. In total here, weekend snow amounts will probably be 2 inches or less in total. Again, most of this would be late Saturday and again late Sunday with a few slick spots a possibility. As we transition into the second half of January, the pattern overall across the lower 48 states will be a chilly one, especially out west, but even here across our region, I'm expecting the second half of January to be a fair amount cooler than the first half of the month. So we can expect a lot of days with highs in the 20s and 30s coming up. So tomorrow may be kind of the high water mark with temperatures this weekend much closer to average with a gusty breeze. Wind chills will be a factor. And again, we'll stay mostly in the lower and middle 30s through the middle of next week. Madison?